Hi, I'm Sandra from Flexi Style. Welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA for a while because I have been traveling. This summer I was in Jamaica for a little over a month, July through August, and then when I got back I did a little bit of traveling for work. So yes, this is a bit much like starting all over again on YouTube, so please bear with me. And if you've never been here before, hi, welcome. My name is Sandra and I do personal style, travel, and lifestyle videos. So you'll see those sprinkled in ever so often, and I do share a bit more on YouTube shorts about different ways I put together my personal style. Okay, so in this video I want to just catch you up on what I've been doing for the summer. What I wore in Jamaica. It was hot. I mean, I know summer is hot, but Jamaica is next level hot. I mean, I lived there through to my 20s, and for some reason I kind of remember those days of me wearing turtlenecks. I know, turtlenecks, sleeveless turtlenecks tops. I don't know. Mind you, I didn't pack that this time around because I've been back a few times since, and I've been there spending about 3 weeks or more. This was the longest I've been in Jamaica for a while. I'm just going to share with you what I wore and throughout the time to try and stay cool, or as cool as possible. Okay, so let's get right into it. Before talking about Jamaica, I must say that I did have a great time here before going to Jamaica. There was I love all white parties. I don't know about you, show of hands, who have been to a few of those. That's me. I always try and do at least one each summer, and this summer there was one. Always Caribbean, it's always a good time. And this one, they had it in the Bronx, at a golf course in the Bronx, and it was great. So you'll probably be seeing a pop-up of that. I hung out with friends in Manhattan. Is always a cool place to hang out with friends. Do dinner, met up with friends, did a lot of that, because New York City, you have to have some kind of New York City experience. It's just one of the best places to be during the summer, and I wanted to at least capitalize on that before going to Jamaica, and I had to go to Jamaica. It's partly family related, doing business, trying to set up some stuff there, and also I work remotely from there throughout my entire time for work, and it's the perfect time to also catch up with family. I know a lot of you Jamaicans understand that, or Caribbean, those from the Caribbean, what it is like being in Jamaica, trying to catch up with friends, family, needing to go see them, not wanting family to think that you are there and you're trying to ignore them, trying to be all touristy and forgetting where you're from. So those are not the reasons. I just generally wanted to catch up with friends and family. It was quite the experience, but just going to give you a few highlights. Don't want to bore you with all my life. It's fun for me, may not be quite that much fun for you. Okay, just wanted to throw in there that I did have some fun here in New York City. Okay, so let's go back to Jamaica and what I wore and a little bit of what I did. So this is my exact airport look. It was simple, breathable, and a hat. I had to bring a hat so I burn easily, unlike when I did when I lived there. So I have to now wear a hat whenever I go to Jamaica as much as I can if I don't want to always have sunblock on. So this was what I wore. I pretty much stay all over when I'm in Jamaica. Here I'm in Ocho Rios at the Fisherman's Village. This is typically where it's great to grab food at local prices. One of my favorite places to stay in Jamaica this time around was Jake's. It was my first time. It's on the south coast of the island. Very artsy, rustic, beautiful, just little cottages. They have on and off property, and I wanted to dress to evoke that. Very casual, laid back, and of course wearing my hat. That's from H&M, by the way. Love that look. Another of my favorite looks is combining swimsuit tops with shorts, and here I have on this H&M linen shorts in black with a black t-shirt and my hat. I was on my way to go to this Appleton Estate rum tour. I have to say there are a few pieces that I wore on repeat given the chance, and this dress was one of them. It was comfortable. I can't remember right now if it was H&M or Zara, but I'll put it up on the screen when I do check that out. Very comfortable, adjustable at the waist and at the shoulders depending on how you want to wear it. And it was very cool even though it was long. It was just like this muslin cotton. I really did love this dress, and it suited the weather. Back in Ocho, I had the same linen shorts on again. One of my favorite look was this top two from Zara and H&M denim shorts that I wore while back in Ocho at the plantation in a restaurant where we grabbed food while there. That was another look, and my favorite thing to do is off the shoulder while I'm in Jamaica. It's cool and it's cute at the same time. So that's something I'd recommend if you could get a lot of off the shoulder pieces that you can wear, that it would really give you a way to feel cool. Again, I'm wearing hat again, which kind of makes sense for me because I tend to get burned easily. Again, I'm wearing these linen shorts with this Zara top that I got this summer. At this time, I was in Port Antonio, specifically Geejam Hotel, beautiful property that overlooks the Caribbean Sea, and you could, with beach access right across the street. I absolutely love this hotel, love going back there, snorkeling, kayaking, you name it, boating, you can do it there. Another of my favorite dresses was this one from H&M, and here I have on this green hat, and I also got from H&M and my bag from Amazon. This dress was perfect for when it was cooler in the mornings, so I wore this dress for breakfast. Love this piece as well. Staying in Port Antonio again, I switched hotels to Trident Hotel. Here I'm wearing an H&M linen pants and this mango top that I've had for about 2 seasons. It was pretty comfortable. It's almost like a bra top, which was pretty much my uniform for the most part while I was in Jamaica. Our room, or villa rather, had its own private infinity pool, and here I'm wearing this and other stories swimsuit. And you'll also see me here wearing it to the beach, which is also private to the property as well. I wore this H&M dress a great deal while I was there, primarily for breakfast or dinner when it was cooler in the mornings or in the evenings. Solid fabrics on me, I sweat a lot, so I try to do it when I know I'm going to be cool and won't be moving around too much. And this dress, and I showed you the other H&M dress, both these pieces were ones that I wore in the evenings. This H&M linen shorts was something that I also had that I wore on repeat as well. Switching out the tops, I'm almost always in a different version of a swimsuit top. And I must say this was like my go-to look, and I always had on my tebas with this look in some variation or in some format. This hotel was beautiful, very contemporary, but very island at the same time, with beautiful views. If you're ever in Port Antonio, Jamaica, you should definitely add Trident Hotel to your list of hotels to stay. Another of my favorite pieces to wear on vacation was this dress from Anthropology. Loved the color, perfect for vacationing in Jamaica. Here I am still at Trident Hotel in this dress. It was cool, it was perfect. I wore this to dinner one night at the hotel. I highly recommend this dress. I don't know if it's still available on Anthropology, but it was a easy piece to wear. Took some zhuzhing to get it exactly how you wanted it, but when you did put it all together, I really enjoyed wearing it. That's it. Thank you so much for going along with me, recapping my trip in Jamaica. There's a whole lot more, but again, I have done separate videos and I link some throughout the video of the different experiences I had while in Jamaica. You can always check out more there. Implore you, if you've never been, to try it out one of these days. If you have questions at all, please sure to leave a comment below. Also be sure to like, comment and subscribe and share this video with friends. I am still on my goal to get to about 1,000 subscribers this year. Would love for you to help me and follow me through on this journey. Alright, so until next time, take care. Bye for now.